Hello, and welcome to Sailing Elsie. My name is Seth, and I aim to earn your subscription today. We're getting an early start. The weather here has been super hot lately, and I get like so lazy in the afternoons when it's hot. So we got to get the engine out of the boat, pull the transmission, rebuild the transmission, and hopefully get it back in. We'll see what happens. Might end up being 2 episodes on that. Let's see what happens. First order of business is to clean up yesterday's projects. All right, that's a little better. So now I just got to take the stairs off. This is my favorite tripod. It wraps on anything. Problem is, I set it up in random spots like this when I was recording the battery stuff. And then I forget where I put it. I just spent like a half hour looking for this thing, trying to remember what was the last thing I recorded. And gotcha. All right, mess of unorganized tools, all ready to go. Well, some organized. All right, first step, get rid of the steps. Alright, so I was just looking everything over a little bit and noticed a little something. See anything weird there? Yep. Gotta deal with that somehow. And just getting started on this, trying to get things that I need, is a pain in the butt. This bed is covered with stuff and I need something under the bed. Let's get to it. I pulled the floorboards too soon. I need to disconnect that coupler for the prop shaft and slide the prop shaft back. So let's get to that. All right. So last time I did this, I did it 5 times in a row. I memorized all the sizes, but I have forgotten. I knew exactly which wrench to grab to go where. I didn't grab the right one. Come back. Excuse me. Alright. Oh, that's the one. 17, if you know what I mean. Alright, we just gotta tap these. Spice-laden winds of Zanzibar, or Fiji and coral bright. Be really gentle with these because last time we broke a couple of them. Little taps, they'll come off sooner or later. Alright, now if I remember correctly, there were 12 or 13 wires and 12 or 13 hoses that needed to be undone. So to do, oops, let me zoom out here. 12 or 13 wires, 12 or 13 hoses. So we got one wire in the back of the tall alternator, 2 bottom alternator, 3. I'll go ahead and undo this one right now. 3, that's the starter wire. 4 is the battery positive. 5 is the battery, or sorry, not the battery, the starter positive. 6, starter negative. 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a wire on the other side, 11. Oh, right here, 12. This is the glow plugs. 12. I'm at 12. I think that's all. Alright, so I'm going to get going undoing those. I want to say these are 13 millimeter. Let's see. Indeed they are. 13, Mr. Bean. Let's get going on them. Okay, so last time I hooked this up, I wired this so I could just pull the one plug. I see this one down here. I think I can just pull that off. And no. No, that stays on. This is the wire I disconnect. I can't do it one-handed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put you guys down. But anyway, last wire. Alright, now it's 12 or 13 hoses. There's 1, 2. There's a bunch in the back. I'm trying to get you guys a good view here. I don't know if that one works. Let's see if I can get a better one. Alright, well that's about as good as I can get. Maybe a little better lighting. Don't know. Anyway, as I say, let's get to it. So this hose clamp will move this water pump. This can go out of the way. Over there. Where freedom calls and spirit saves, no boundaries can hold us now. Just go and see the sacred vows. We're dancing on the edge of blue, living dreams we always knew. Equators kiss upon our skin. This journey's where our life begins. We are so wild and free, celebrating life at sea. So raise your glass to milestone days, to friendships made in peace. Put that off, maybe the rest of this off easier. Okay, so that's good. Alright, so let's do the exhaust. Shell bags gathered round firelight. Okay, exhaust, pretty good. Gotta take this guys off. Alright, you guys, I think I've got everything disconnected on here. Obviously, you saw the propeller shaft. I did the shift cable, throttle cable, all the water hoses, fuel hoses, electrical, the shut-off switch, I pulled that off, a couple other things. I think this thing is ready to go, but I've been suffering some serious cripey, what's the word? Burnout. I am burned out. So this is not coming out today. You're gonna have to wait till next episode. And in next episode, we should have engine out, transmission rebuilt, engine put back in, and then possibly Adam might be able to make it out next week, although probably the following week, to finish up the project with the solar panels. So just going to end this episode here. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate everybody's support. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed and like kind of boat projects and you want to see the progress of how this boat comes together before I go shove out to see the world, please join me.